Okay, so guys, I already explained dry run of code in my like last video. That is part 1. Okay, and this is a part 2. Okay, because my stream stopped suddenly, so that's why I need to create another stream. I think I am visible to you or I am audible to you. Okay, so here I have finished dry run and what is the problem statement in my previous video. So you can go like if you haven't watched my previous video, okay, then you can go and watch. Now I am going to share my screen with you. Now we are going to continue with the problem. Problem name is like find the ladders. Okay, so here first of all, 1 minute. Okay, so problem is word ladder. Okay, problem number 127. Okay, this is the second part. I already finished part 1 explanation of what's going on in problem and what's going on like how can we do things. Okay, how can we solve. Somebody message AI Nexus. Can I reach 2400 on code forces with Python? Yes, you can. You can reach. Okay, now I am going to share my screen with you. I'm going to share my entire screen. Okay, so here, mhm, here I have already created this class solution. Okay, and I am going to use from collection import q deque. Okay, and here this is the function for ladder length. Okay, here I'm going to pass self, being word, end word, and word list. Okay, now I'm going to create a variable that is called a word equals to set word list. Okay, this is like a fast lookup. That's why we need to create list into a set. Okay, so here this will give you not in list, but it will give you this set by using set, and this will give you word like this. Okay, so word list equals to insert hot dot dog lot log cog. Okay, Ankit sent me message. Ankit said that, ma'am, I have started to learn as you explained to me. Okay, nice, Ankit. Now I am going to create queue. That is variable. Okay, queue equals to. Okay, I am going to write here deque, and here I am going to pass begin word. Begin word, comma 1. Okay, so mm, we have in queue first begin word is hit. Okay, hit at step 1. Okay, okay, you can see here in queue this is the hit. Okay, at step 1. Okay, and this is our being word. Now I'm going to use like apply conditions. While q, okay, here I'm going to write bird, bird comma step equals to q, q dot pop left. Okay, by using q, like if we find out a bird, like we have hit, okay, in q, like while q bird and step, okay, so q pop left, bird and step, okay. So here I got bird, okay, from front of the first word, okay. Bird found like we got first word, okay, here, because they said that like I'm going to use q and pop left. So here, like if word equals to and word, okay, if we have bird equals to and word colon return step, okay. Okay, so here you can see like a word comma step and pop left, okay. So we got first word from here, this one hit, okay, and it's a step. And like we are going to check this word is equals to end word, no, like this word or this word equals to like bird equals to end, no, then we can't return a step, okay. So now we need to continue, like did we reach did we reach to the cog, okay, no, now we can continue again, okay. So here I'm going to use for loop for I in range length of bird, okay. For I in range of length of bird, okay. Now here I'm going to apply again one condition for c in in where, like alphabets ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ, okay. So here I'm going to check for I in the range of length of bird, okay. So for now I'm going to check again character, if c in ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ, okay. Then okay, so here after this I'm going to write new word, okay. So here new word new word equals to I plus C plus word. And here I'm going to use I plus J. Okay, so here you can see new word equals to word I of J mm, guys, what are you talking? Here word equals to word of I like this. I plus 1, it is not a J. This is a 1. Okay. Like we have bird equals to hit. Okay. If we have bird equals to hit, then comma I equals to 0. Okay. Like we have bird equals to hit and I need to take I equals to 0. Then I need to I need to keep all values here. Okay. So here I got new word equals to here in one. Here new underscore word equals to 0. I because I take I equals to 0. So 0 plus a plus here I am going to take 0 plus 1 because here word I plus 1. 0 plus 1. Okay. So here word equals to and here also word. So before like at index 0 we have h, at index 1 I have I and at index t, sorry, at index like 1 I have I and at index 2 I have t. Okay, so here before 0 we don't have anything. Like first of all we have h, okay, at index 0 we have, but before 0 we don't have anything. So here I'm going to write like this colon and plus. Okay, so here after 9, now I'm going to like add c. C is the like character. Okay, so first C equals to A here, this one. Okay, so I need to write here C and C equals to A in alphabetic order. Okay, and after this I need to write um, 0 plus 1. Okay, so at index 1 what we have at index what we have at index like one. Okay, here I need to write colon. Okay, so 0 plus 1 and colon from 1 to last. Okay, so from 1 to last, at index 0 I have h, at index 1 I have I, so I need to take it I and t here. Okay, then it will become what? This one, 8. Okay, now our word equals to ait. Okay, so like this you can create word here by using this, by using these alphabets. Okay, so here this is our word. Now I am going to use condition if new word, new underscore word in bird, in birds. Okay, like this. Hot found in dictionary. Here, like if new word in a word. Okay, so here I'm going to find out that hot found in dictionary. Okay, so new word is a at this one, and this word like new word in word. Okay, so hot found in a dict. And after this I need to remove, I need to remove bird, birds dot remove new word. Okay, so I need to remove, okay, new word. Here we can see if new word in word. Okay, so we find out hot in dictionary. Okay, now birds dot remove new word. Here I need to add colons, that's why it will give you error otherwise. Okay, now remove, like remove bird. Okay, bird remove new word. Now I'm going to append q dot append I can contact ma'am. AI Nexus, you can follow me on LinkedIn. मैम आप कितने लाइव से करने वाले हो आज? क्या आज आपसे कनेक्ट हो सकता हूँ लिंक्डइन? हो सकता हूँ on LinkedIn. अभी I am not free. I will free after some time. So here q dot append. Inside I am going to pass new word, comma step plus one. Okay, here I remove hot mark and mark as visited. Okay, so here this is mm, 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 this is words, not a bird. This is also words. Now what happening? Now add to quick hot q hot and step 2 here. Okay, and return 0. I have solved this problem. I think my internet is very slow. It's creating problem. Okay, guys. So here you can see I put heading. Okay, sorry, I put comments. Okay, in every line. So here you can see. I'm going to explain it again. Okay. So here from collection import queue. Okay, I'm going to import queue. Okay, that we got a queue like this: hot, hit, hot, dog, dog and cock. Okay, here this is the class. Okay, solution, and this is the function ladder length. Okay, so here I'm going to pass self, begin word, end word, and word list. Okay, so here word equals to, we are going to use set. Okay, this is for fast lookup. We convert list into a set. Okay, after converting list into a sort set, we got this word equals to insert hot dot dog lot log and cock. Okay, now q equals to dq. Okay, here this is here I'm going to pass begin bird and one. Okay, so q look like hit and one. Okay, now like we are going to find out my first word, that is begin bird and one. Okay, so here hit, hit is our begin word. Okay, so that's why we have hit and one, step one. Okay, now condition, I'm going to apply condition while q while q. Okay, so I'm going to find out bird and its step. Okay, by using q dot pop left. So we are going to use like we are going to take left element. Okay, from the queue. Okay, so left element from the queue, that is hit. You can see here, this is hit. Okay, so here queue look like this. Now I'm going to find out this hit, and at step 1 we have 1. Okay, ma'am, I am Himan. Somebody message me. Ma'am, I am Himanshu and I have sent you request on LinkedIn. Okay, Himanshu, I will accept it after finishing this. Okay, so here you can see like I'm going to use conditions by using apply by while. Okay, so here I have bird and step. So q dot pop left. Okay, so we can take like left word. Okay, at step 1 that we have hit. Okay, so take one word from the front of the queue. Okay, and the first word equals to hit and step equals to 1, because we have first word begin word, that is begin word. Okay, hit at step 1. Okay, Now if this bird hit equals to end word, because our end word is cog, okay, but not hit. How can we say that like, hit is equals to end word? Okay, then did we reach to the cog yet? No, no, we can continue exploring, never. Okay, so now like if this condition is true, then we will return steps. Like if we don't meet our condition at, then we need to continue our, okay, for I in the range of length of bird. Okay, now I'm going to take like I for in the range of length of bird. Okay, so this is the length of bird. These are the birds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 3 and 3 6. So here I in the range of length of bird. Okay, now I'm going to use like for C. I'm going to use another loop for C in A B C D E I F G H I J K L M P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, so these are the alphabet for English dictionary. Okay, so now I am going to find out new word equals to bird from 0 to I. Okay, from starting to I. Okay, here before colon we don't have anything, means it start from it start from before I. Okay, and here plus C. C means this C. Okay, and bird I plus 1 here. Now we can see our first word is hit. Okay, so I'm going to take hit. Okay, but now I am going to calculate, like initially I have I equals to 0. Okay, now you can see here new word equals to, here in place of like before colon we don't have anything, and after this I have I. So in place of I need to keep 0, and here after this I have A here. Okay, because C, here I have C and C equals to A, I need to take this alphabet C equals to A. So here I have C, so first of all we need to A here. Okay, now after taking A, here I have 0, like here you can see bird I plus 1, and after this I have colon. Okay, so here at place of 0, sorry, at place of I need to keep 0, because I equals to 0 and plus 1, and after colon we don't have anything. It's mean we need to access element from 1 to end. Okay, so now at index like before 0 we don't have anything, that's why I need to keep like a string like this. Okay, empty string. And now at here, at in place of C I have A. Here I need to write C. Okay, so C equals to A, so that's why it is A. And now from 1 to and okay, we have like we need to calculate at index 0 we have H. Okay, at index I, sorry, at index 1 I have I, and at index 2 I have T. So here I need to write from index 1 to and till end. Okay, so at index 1 I have I, and at index end we have T. Okay, so here that's why I need to take IT. So now I am going to add these three things, space like empty string plus A plus IT, then it will become AIT. Okay, now I am going to use another condition, like if new word, this new word at, okay, new word in the word. Okay, so we are going to find out if new word in the word, like here we are going to find out hot found in the dictionary. Okay, so this is the hit, new I mean bird, new bird, this is the new word. Okay, hit. Now we are going to check like if new bird in word, yes, hot found in the dictionary. We have this dictionary. Okay, so now we find out hot in this dictionary. Okay, so now I need to remove this word from new word. Okay, bird dot remove new word, so we remove hot and mark as it visited. Okay, and here you can see now after removing hot from new word. Okay, now I am going to add this hot, like q dot append new word and its step. Okay, so here I am going to add hot to the q, and its step is 2. Okay, after hit I find out hot. Okay, so like this, like if you increase the I value, then you got lots of but like this. Okay, at bit set hot. Okay, so we find out hot here. I have already explained these things. Okay, so here we find out hot. If new word found in word, so we got hot and found in dictionary. Okay, now we remove this word from new word. Okay, so we remove hot and mark as vegetate. Okay, now we are going to append this in queue and write here new word and stave it's stave. So here we got hot and two. Okay, and return 0. Now we can check this by using this this is the example that we can test our code with the help of this example that it is correct or not. Okay, so here this is a object of class solution, this one. Okay, now result equals to solution. Okay, this is the object of this class. Now this is the function ladder length. Okay, here I'm going to pass hit and cog. Okay, hit is our begin word and cog is end word. Okay, and this is the word list. These are the word list. Okay, and here I'm going to print output, and this is a result. Okay, so expected output should be 5. Okay, we got 5 because transformer path is hit, hot, dot, dog, and cog. Okay, so this is the transformation path. Okay, so we expect this result. I hope you got it. Like this is a hard level problem from LeetCode. Like it took time to understand. If you have any doubt, you can rewatch, re again, re. I mean rewatch it again, and you can do it. You can write every line with your own. Okay, problem from LeetCode. It is hard, based like a hard level problem. ओके मैम, आप कितने बजे सेशन खत्म करने वाले हो आज? क्या आज आपसे कनेक्ट कर हो सकता हूँ? अभी मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ. I am new to DSA, but starting just started 5 days ago, but still I have understood it's a great explanation. तुम जीरो एक्सपीरियंस लेके आओ तब भी समझ जाओगे. मैं इतने बारीक बारीक समझाऊंगी. बट ये वाला क्वेश्चन थोड़ा ट्रिकी था, थोड़ा हार्ड लेवल था. लाइक बहुत लंबा भी था. मैं ही परेशान हो गई थी सॉल्व कर करके. बट यू नीड टू आई मीन फोकस होना चाहिए, समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. This is the second part because my stream stop in middle of like I'm writing code and my stream just stop. So this is the second part. I already explain everything like dry run or like step by step everything what we are going to do with the problem and statement of the problem. I already explained in part 1. In part 2 I just explain the code. Okay, आज नो रील में यस, आज टाइम नहीं मिला मेरे को. मेरा पूरा दिन डीएसए सॉल्व करने में चला जाता है. चलो अब मैं दूसरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई नीड टू क्रिएट अनदर लाइव. ओके, लाइक 5, मतलब यहाँ दिखा रहा है कि 5 लोग हैं मेरी लाइव में. मैम आपने वो लिंक चेकआउट की? कौन सी लिंक? एग्जाम की? यस यस यस. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अनदर लाइव. um because I want to solve another problem. Actually, in a matlab in a single day, I am my target is solve the only 5 problem on YouTube. It is my like it is my just target to solve 5 problem in a day on YouTube. Otherwise, in my real life, I am solving lots of problem in day and night, and like I'm going to sleep, and in my dream also I'm going to solve problems. Should I continue it without my like period knowledge? You should know Python. Actually, I'm just finishing three like after this. I'm dictionary. I think dictionary today I have completed dictionary, and after this I need to teach string and string and recursion is left. Okay, and tuple also 3 chapters is like I mean still ending recursion, string and tuple. Okay, after this I need to teach like Python. I need to create video on Python so you can understand it. Should I continue it without prior knowledge? Yes, but you know like basic sentence, what like you should know about basic sentence like what is function, what is loop, what is while loop, so you can understand if you know these things already. Like this is like this is not an easy to study DSA by your own. Like I have already purchased lots of courses, but I haven't pick any problem. Like I haven't pick any single problem. So that's why I have create my own video, and I have like I provide the solution by my own, and I am solving every day and doing research and doing like problem in different form, like from dictionary or from hash map or from sliding window, in different my approach I use to solve the problem. Okay, so that's why I think I'm solving here. Otherwise, before 1 month, like I'm unable to solve any problem of DSA. 1 month ago, I'm unable to solve. I started DSA from September. This is November, September, October, November. And it's like I have finished 3 months. Actually, I have finished 2 months. 3 months is like running. Actually, I have consistency. I'm not telling you like you can also solve this. Like if you can decide your target, how many problem you need to solve in a day, or how many chapter you need to cover in a day. So that's you can reach like you can reach with your target. ओके गाइस, मेरे को अभी और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. माय प्लान इज टू डू डीएसए फॉर 2 ईयर, डेली 3 प्रॉब्लम. ओ माय गुडनेस, इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हो भाई? 3 मंथ लो, 3 मंथ. 3 मंथ. 3 मंथ लो, फिनिश करो. कब तक पढ़ते रहोगे? बोर हो जाओगे. आई एम इन फर्स्ट ईयर. मैम यू शुड टेक 1 सेशन ऑन कंसिस्टेंसी. जब पढ़ेगी खुद पे तो ऑटोमेटिक कंसिस्टेंसी आ जाएगी. जब हालात से गुजरोगे ना, तब ऑटोमेटिक कंसिस्टेंसी आ जाएगी. जब जिस स्टेज पर मैं हूँ उस स्टेज पे तुम लोग भी पहुंच जाओगे तो कंसिस्टेंसी आ जाएगी, पंक्चुअलिटी आ जाएगी. गाइस, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है बेंगलोर में. चलो, अब मैं दूसरा वीडियो क्रिएट कर रही हूँ। इसके बाद फिर मेरे को अभी 3 प्रॉब्लम और सॉल्व करनी है।